Hi, I'm Rebecca from IPV. Today I'm going to show you how Curator for Adobe helps producers and editors work collaboratively wherever they are in the world. Victoria is in New York with the high-res video. She needs an editor based in LA to work on content that's far too large to send. After registering the media in Curator and saving the high-res video onto her on-premise storage, she uses Curator Clip Link to create a production task and can preload the project bins with content. She ensures that the project has the correct metadata against it so that it can be easily identified later. Let's jump to Premiere in LA. Editors can use the Curator for Adobe panel to securely access the library of content from anywhere in the world without being connected to video storage. This editor has just found and checked out the production task that Victoria created. You can see the sequence settings and media items they need are already there. Using Curator's search tools directly inside the panel means that it's easy for them to find the clip they need. Editors in remote locations open a frame-accurate, low-resolution video stream directly inside the Premiere project bin. They can view the stream in the source monitor to see metadata markers along the timeline. New markers appear automatically. Check out Curator Logger for more information on this. The editor can use the standard Premiere toolset to work on their content. By pressing Export, they can select from a list of options. In this case, they've selected Remote Conform, which will use a remote AME to render the sequence against the original source. If the high-res has been moved offline, Curator will manage the automatic restore from archive, whether it's from LTO, Object, or Cloud platforms. Once they've finished working on the project, they'll check it back in. The same project can be checked out again straight away anywhere in the world. So in New York, Victoria can swap the editor's project bin contents and sequences for the high-res assets on her online storage, allowing her to continue editing. We hope you enjoyed seeing how Curator for Adobe instantly links editors and producers all around the world. Thanks for watching.